asalaamaaleykum réewi Gambia kii ngeen a gis nii foog naa ne xàmmee ngeen ko de parce que kii dañ ko fi aj ko lu bëree bëri parce que tapale bu mag la criminal bu mag la moom nag am na ñu koo dimbale te ñu koo dimbale am na ñi nga xam ne ñu ngi Ministry of Sports di ko defalal ay kayit yi nga xamante ne ñoom xam nañ ne amul office nekkul di operate benn e-sport in Gambia waaye loolu la dee jël document yooyu la jël register ne moom e-sport la nekk di operate in Gambia di
yo mbadi Gambia non yalo nyi dunia kono komi STA fale denkilo kono nyamin alay min bless ita koy kole kos e buda kumba ba lolon nale e buda yele ko se o buda ka yele nyamin okay andal badi malika ko makamba imati di concondability bi nada jumale noma Fanta voice of the Fanta yes min kay content sotola content wala minti ka molla problem o fenanke dunda land problem o lombang miskam milias kamin ko la problem wala ba but this time a mistake ta bakale yes sister no eta fa futu talabang taya futu jandi ba dolla problem o setul la ni media kono okay the voice of the Fanta ay Idrissa Barra pinyata natalo le dunu media kono ay life kakang ako muskamaldi ate malon komi Idrissa Barra family bo bulle sister babula brothers babulle abla dad biye la fama biye bon ni nata jibe wo Idrissa Barra anata ker president wati sport community kono yeah ay Gambia din jama makoy pour que samana abroad jang kadol samad la do pour football mo ni taw mo sifa la Gambia bar ni assistant ni mi ya lon ka te mala hajo ke fenti ni dunia balu kono foka mo la problème o fenan ke do ndala platform kono ko la live tiya nda sonna wala Fanta you are very stupid my sister you are a fool ali nyalla moy Idrissa Barla kuma kan wala mi fo yalla moy Idrissa Barla nyala video le jibe Gambia no nalka mo kungo suute alka mo suute min kaskamin ke andu ngay mol mi mako en baaji le wala fana ba comment na jang e ba comment ne ba flo ko makamba you are right yeah because bring funding ke diam tan te alo na mo ken dolo yeah yalo Gambia mi kana mo ken dolo Gambia tel kana mo kurungo da malelo miya kuru ya baka to ya fa karre nyinge bar moye ku ken yarin ke Gambia kondren mo da tala kutu so nye sister ni wonanta hakilo tula bakele jandi ba mola video dundula jang akol follow ya nyinin kai karnat la ko nyako tendin teng to nyala ba fo to nyanteng asala own story fo yala own pata so explain ye bar moy na to ray kumo fo to sister ni buda kuma mo le video war kara nyinke ay nyina sunya ay nyina kete ay nyina kete when we come to the visa problem ika sexy da kono la ika sexy da kono mo be wona punto ni yelo ko do dund visa to ika fo la ko do la o ya visa soto ni ku flo le bije mo be o understand but you want to for 5 years ñu bala on business wala abala on kuola 5 years killing eta fante na loje ko la life tinya because of molle nate wuliya foye ata work la sen anjal la moy Idrissa Barila ala video nyo fana jibe nyala kuma kan la moy nsina jibe mo nyaadi lo Idrissa Barra ito ko nyaadi
no brother Abenyadi, you alright? Okay, just as I told you earlier, my name is Idrissa Barra. I'm the Gambian Esport Association president. I would explain to you nata do esport la quarter nyameng and you musu ngo ka fan yal mem fo fanan everything mem bije because I always assume my responsibilities. Niaje fan tebe reach out kan harmony ngo ika family soto. Ni ba ma soto ye sister sol soto ye muso soto ye dingo soto ibuka tamu ifanye ku do bije you need to clarify it but inte as a person she does not shake my jacket at all. Okay, inte I was in youth organization nga sacrifice nun doku jamale ki je I have all the evidences until in 2022, which was not my first trip to Morocco. My first trip to Morocco was October 2019. I was invited by the Pan-African Youth Union to attend the first annual consultative dialogue in Rabat. Just to cut a long story short, birin tata na interview ku je for programme banta. One Moroccan guy in Kumandi, akonyoko, I will want us to work together. Nkako muna akonyoko esports. Nkako muno esports because I have no clue about what esports was all about. Akonyoko, this about online gaming. I be explaining. Akonyoko, so what do I need to do? Akonyoko, say ni murunta. You go to your Ministry of Youth and Sports or National Olympic Committee or National Sport Council. You ask them the protocols of registering a sporting association. Nkako, what a problem. Wotumole mbota Morocco murunta Gambia ntare National Sport Council nga gal nyininka ni mo lafta sport association ika kinyaming ikonyoko. There are protocols attached. You need a physical office, that is the secretariat. You need to visit 6 regions. You also need a bank account. They explain everything. But then the Gambia was, what I wanted is the Gambia to be a member, because I was part of the founding members. We started with just 5 countries. The president from Lesotho, I was the one who recommended him. The president from Guinea-Bissau, I was the one who recommended him. The president from Tanzania, I was the one who recommended him. The first time I was invited to Morocco for this e-sport activity, I was there just with 4 other countries. Myself, Mr. Tong from Uganda, Mahmoud from Sierra Leone, Isaac from Liberia, and Fred, this guy, how to call it? There was a 5th person, I forgot the name. It was myself, Isaac, Mahmoud, Fred, and Tong. 5 of us. Okay, Birintata Mbejele, not a funga partial registration sort of. It was not a full registration because secretariat mansoro, bank account mansoro. Biringa explain okay, we heard about esports, but until now our countries are not putting any funds in esports. It was purely voluntary. Mbejele, in 2023 I was invited for the first General Assembly in Tata, nga election kije, and I was elected to be among the 14 executive members representing the Gambia. I'm part of those menka decision will make. Murunta, that 2023. Nga try for Gambia became member of World Esports without the help of even the African Confederation, because the African Confederation bank account from Galma Soto ndole nga form in Morocco. So nata ke member ti ikonyoko, we are inviting you with one Gambian Tekken player. Ndata yo boy do choose ika fay Khalid BI. Man Khalid long Khalid Mantelong. I just went to one PlayStation, asked them who is the best player ikonyoko nyinon kako, I will go with you to Europe. Khalid is still here, he is still living. I can share his contact with you if you wish. We traveled together to Dakar for our visa. Now apply, the following morning, Romania called us. Ngana visa also. Birimbe Tamaka, we flew business class from Dakar to Bucharest. Ntara, nga 10 days ke Romania murunta. That was the first time nga mo samba in the name of sports, esports. Mbejele 2024, nga national qualification ke nga boy do soto ka fa Ismaila Touré. Birina wo choose, nga ko itele betala Saudi Arabia. Mbejele fo konoto. So this organizers Konyoko, e-football iba cancel la nyinang. That was 2024. It was even hectic to relay this information back to the player because I preparation okay with everything. But the fair tije iko ni wulta dasam tiyo nyala ike lale. Nga fa okay, abetene. Even one of his family members reached out to me ka fo nyembetala media ika mol promise tamola ibuke samba. Intengan dele dron because te buka ticket dojo mbuka hotel jo. Ama relax atata media ka fo tebe mol samba kan Kosovo. Kosovo me yalan ko wolman la fi kata Europe fa. Sorry, wolbe struggle kan kanati Europe. Ngago who told you Kosovo is a final destination? Mol kata Kosovo ye jinam Kosovo eta sabe ye dunda Europe kono ite ka fo nyaati. Nata nga visa dundi kote ngen na bari ndi ya soto. All these 4 other boys ya soto. Nyuno me ya soto modi je me nte joko dola na manke ku kilinte. I always assume my responsibility. Of harsh words about his going. Wo boy, the first day I call Ngago, Ismaila, you are supposed to represent the Gambia. Akonyeko, I have no passport. Ngago, I will give you money to get a passport. Nga 5,000 dashi diala tata passport ninola. Bria food at the time was not on our side. We need to pay to get the fast track, the passport on time. Kamodo di fendola rompo and told Marco, as you always know, things katanyame. I sent him another 2,000 dashi. For a man get 7,000. Nga wo nehal ayala passport sort of fat. Ntata Moroccan embassy visa ninola. Ala visa fee 1,700 ngajo. Another ka fonye accountable because in e-sport game ika for me e-football you need to practice. Ngago mo nyini membe ntol rent account rola akonye ko ngamo soto membe account rent lan tolle for 2,000 dash nga 2,000 fanan diala atata account rent. These monies I'm talking about Kilimambo Mansakunda or NGO or Dula Duto. These monies were coming typically from myself. Bejele, for a visa in Soto, then money to the Tanying. Birimbente Airport, $1,000 di Alankako Ajo. Gambia Airport, you cannot travel without paying the $1,000. That was this past January 14. I owe you on Tata Morocco. Njita Airport, they came to pick us. Ntata Yenjindina Hotel, Adefana Yajindala Hotel. There was a hotel for delegates and hotel for players. Bejela game all Tata for Gambia Nata Sea. Then te Mbetaka Numpari, and he was coming back to the Gambia. Ntata ala hotel oto, nga domor fengo sanga en kayako because ibe shekane, andung airport, this is your first time. Sometimes ibe meleje. Kajen kame explain ay. Nga domor fengo sang nga diala. Beri na wo diala nga $1,000 fanan diala nkayako ni futata Gambia airport oto, you need to pay another $1,000. Akonyo ko boro abaka nkayako, don't worry. Jani nyimbe fanan kake. In 2024 November, I traveled with 8 Gambians to Morocco. We were having e-sport training. We should be having e-sport training in Morocco, Niwo Bantangata, Bulgaria. I went with them to Morocco. They took an apartment. Some of them, their brothers, if you help our brothers to get to Bulgaria, I always assume my responsibility. No problem. Ndeka ni nga chance je ko nyimol they can be able to make it mba bundi la je ngana kolke. They were in Morocco. Itata Bulgaria la ambassador, they all did their fingerprint where trantebe Saudi Arabia le momo yala risito soto imurunta suko na ibe sirinje ibe jele 1 month ibe jele 2 months embassy ente ko le konyeko 9 people for whole yeta Europe. You need to take the guarantee ko ni wol lose ta your job is at risk ngo gale ko I cannot take that risk for anybody. Masakunda fang ikamol samba tubabu ika loss sakante. We cannot give them visa. I told them fair enough. What al visa nyimbulaje because kodo manjari kana doko tafuna doko la kodo manjari kudo la dal. Biri woketa ngalon ko nyimmolde imeta siwola. They were in Casablanca for 2 or 3 months. With ntefang wana personal barindingo me yalon ko tena bama denta ba kilim fa kilim. Ngalon ko nyinu imeta sila jang. Ni gal ko ibe muruna Gambia wonyama is going to be a very big disappointment. Bulgaria Mansoto, let me try an alternative for them. Ngana friend consul in Kosovo. Ngani picture mention nila. Ngago, I want to come to Kosovo with Gambian delegation nga training kije. Bring a consultant, consul kudola de. I just consulted him how to remedy the situation. Wole mu nyimol fana ibe fanjela tubabu du nyameng because kata mol sindi 1 month 2 months. Ye muru nang empty hands. Wo diminta. Akonyo ko I can help you. Akonyo ko send me the passport copies. Nga passport copy be send. Woya tra diningol fana inata pasile ila brodal ka ha ntol sa inte luaso nyinjola inte domoro jola ning atray what you are doing you are so of it pay it ngol gale ko no problem nka kuma voye I have the evidence the witnesses if you believe ko nga kuma kilim fo memanke tonyati I will bring you the witnesses nko gale ko I will be sharing the rent with you mbejele ni karo fata they will pay half I pay half it was like $25,000 ntara fo ameta demanding because nte beri ngalon ko Kosovo la process started wrong nte man wori ko tank ikonyo control fango sa nte fenjola ning atara ite sa jono yajo I also assume the responsibility again. Bajele for Kosovo la visa alfintita. You know Kosovo, their visa is in Istanbul. Inteta nga passport basically nge send nang through DHL to Istanbul for visa alfintita je. They snap the visas and send it to me. Nga send nang gali. Birina visa send nang gali. Iko itol man la visa nyina. So they will not pay me. Ila moide. Visa was just 11 days. Itol bejele bilong, samalong. Bilong samalong for visa expired ila broda so len call ha dolbe tala media ngela tutinya ko ite ka mol samba Morocco ite ka mol bondi Gambia ite ka fo ini mole ka dogo ngoy ko nde visa mom bondi al tol man sonka kodojo al ko tele nga mola ko do visa bebe mulle we took the visas to the Interpol office in Banjul just ntam fo ni amira wure ya kilimbeje you can make all your research if you find me in anything wrong nko ya fo nyi mem fo tonyati je Gambia no meye visa ni muta ika faye ML Mulamin Camara ay visa muta until visa expired another kafo he is not going to release the visas these are the boys meye media normal yeah whatever they can do they call ha I told somebody to Morocco am told Tamandi I told Kodota what kodo nte kudo be fam bukala fika explain it because I was a third party in this mole benteni galtema so the amount that transpired it all malong ite you are looking for Bulgaria inata Kosovo soto ibe mine fola ko denge ibijele fo silo tinyara yeah ntenga nyakas they invited me to attend the General Assembly in Riyadh Saudi Arabia ntata nga attend murunta In 2025, Ikonyeko, we are going to have African competition in Morocco. Select one e-football player. I told them, Temodo select lade. Ngamen select in 2024 anu aman nata. Jumale be dunia kono membuka visa dundi mole dole hasoto dol buka soto. Hada mandi ngoni ka visa dundi bank statement o itele kaki. Insurance o itele kaki. Mission order itele kaki. Everything itele kaki. So ni ko tinyata drong Gambians in the name ntenga message do receive ninga wo fo iteta believe la. Dol ka fo nyintol we don't care for money de. All we want is to kaje ko itele do ko tinyata. They never pay me a single salary for esports. Aman soto. Esport yente tara do ko la because travel ta for another event they brought this to me. Bring another for be masakunda nene man dala si kilin dintela. But in the opposite ntela kana kodo bondi nka dundi je. So amanda wala mokata kana to dinya. O fana ndiata. Borom babe senela 12 visas nga wole bondi Istanbul from May 2025 to September 2025. All the 7 visas the Gambian meya bondi je. Bring atata embassy atele visa field jo ka joro do ki ja ko nyako nintema wo complete he will not send the visas. All the visas bentebulu isulata fengo fenna nyine kamba senela. Mbejele for will expire and not a $5 bondi. All those people as we speak they are in Europe. Fulabe Slovenia, Kilimbe Germany, Kilimbe Italy, Kilimbe Spain. I can give you all their numbers. You chat with them.
Idrissa Barila video jele anala voice
so I'm the president of Gambia right. I never received a single dollar from government. The government never choose me randomly. Telling you not Gambia. Amake ko government isita yem febo Kenya ikonye ko nanga nyindi no
nonsense so nyamo sister ngoli ka mo nonsense so
I'm not going to choose my family member. I will give it to the right person because it has to do with the Gambian flag. But in sister ala ko ente jahale because hadama ningo if you call yourself a believer if you call yourself a believer you need to think of the things that you do. Any information because picture this video but if that Dawood I sula the this is what I need from you. Can you send it to me?
I mean Marco Albeba daring it's not fair. Nimmo e Marco ni modo jabati nyaka mimmanka saudi fitiye diamu. Ni fondinga man ku kente yes but nyalo ne ay ku ke mille ay ku ke mille nyalo na ku ke fondinke dol mi e Gambia ay mil mako visa kuoldo passport kuoldo bang wolu bi nare jande ba sedi yalla na video de ba fle ko makamba e kam fe ka to nyale fo Fanta the voice what do you know about football nyenyi ni ngawo folola ndialo ne tananta kala musolti misa fo mo de ko ni furuta e bay nekela e be ki ma kala tenne e ba kala ten e ke ma ba bu nyalal yes wom content ken dolti but you don't know nothing about football han Gambia national team on han mo 5 ita to fola no so sister why buda ka faraja war wandi problem o kono wandi kono ba ye buda busu so model be media ko de mol kabre intelligent ha e jusol le jata ha e ka kolke tole ya long my sister you are very stupid you are a fool amaka good of and you are a fool because Gambia musukendo nenete lola media kono teng e ka kuziva gela like wandi dingo life tinya fete malo perenso le be mbulu me bro no I can't believe this no wake up my sister iba karandale isolo va farre